Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about importance of software testing. Why we need to have software testing in every software products that we created. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of software testing. Software testing is crucial for several reasons. Number one, bug identification. Testing helps identify defects or bugs in software before it reaches users, ensuring a more reliable product. Number two, we have here quality assurance. It ensures that the software meets the specified requirements and works as expected under various conditions. Third, risk management. Testing helps mitigate risks associated with software failures, which could range from financial losses to damage to reputation. Fourth, customer satisfaction. Well-tested software tends to be more stable and reliable, leading to higher customer satisfaction and retention. 5. Cost effectiveness. Fixing bugs and issues during the testing phase is generally less expensive than addressing them post-release. Number 6. Compliance. In regulated industries, testing ensures that software meets legal and regulatory requirements. 7. Continuous improvement. Feedback from testing helps developers improve software design, performance, and usability over time. Overall, software testing is integral to delivering high quality, reliable, and secure software products to users. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on why it is very important to have software testing in every software products that is being released. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.